Hello friends, welcome to Thursday. New mold today. Just like the past 2 times. Anyway, I don't have a problem. Anyway, these are, as you can probably tell, Snowflake coaster molds. So I'm going to give these a shot. And the main body of them I'm going to be doing in silvery white. But I figured for like the tips, I would do a sky blue. So we're going to give this a shot, see how these turn out. Hopefully they're beautiful. I plan to make some of these as gifts for Christmas this year. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, get my resin all mixed up, and we will get started. Again, I apologize for this terrible angle. It is what it is. So hopefully by the time we unmold these, I will have a new tripod for that beautiful overhead look. Okay, let's get started. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Hello friends. As you can tell, I forgot to turn my mic on. Don't worry, I do fix it in about a minute. But look, you guys, I'm back to my overhead view. Oh, I'm so excited. Got my new tripod in. Everything is perfect. So basically what I was saying here was I do wish that I had added more blue to the outside of these snowflake coaster things. I, for some reason, thought that the blue would migrate more into the white, but clearly that didn't happen. But anyway, so they turned out great. Like I said, I'm going to turn my mic on here in just a second, so you guys will get to hear all that. And, yeah, sorry that I am not a professional YouTuber, and therefore forget to turn my mic on from time to time. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. Might help if I had turned on the microphone. Yep. Oh, they're looking pretty. Okay, okay. All right. Oh, very pretty. Okay, so there's one. Like I was saying before, I remembered to turn on my microphone. I should have added more blue to some of these, like especially these two. I think that would have been even more beautiful, but they're really pretty. They're a good thickness. I'm not sure if I would use these. I mean, you can use them as coasters. That's what they were designed for. But I would actually be more likely to use them as ornaments on the Christmas tree. But they're very pretty. Very, very intricate. And I really didn't even have to do that much cleanup at all. Or any cleanup for that matter. Yeah, I can see there are a few little bubbles here and there, but other than that, it looks great. I like it. What do you guys think? Would you use these as coasters, or would you use them for ornaments? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, well, that's today's video. Short and simple, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving it a thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Also, if you would like to see more, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.